How to keep Android apps running in the background. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily keep your background apps running on your Android device. So if you are trying to do that, what usually happens is if you try to open any app from your recent apps, but when you open it up, it won't load instantly, but you will have to wait for it to load and it will restart the app. Then in that case, what it means is you're going to have to change your background process. You can do that by going over to your settings menu. And once you are on settings, you're going to have to turn on the developers option first. Go ahead and open up your developers option. And from here, just scroll down until you find your app settings. So let me just go ahead and scroll down. Here I've got the input and hardware acceleration, games, and then right below that, you're going to have to find apps. So right here, you'll have an option called background process limit. If this is set to no background process, then you won't be able to open any background apps without having it to restart. So if I just go to this and tap on this profile, as you can see here, this now has been completely refreshed. So if I try to go to other app like this right here, if I just open up this one right here, this will also most probably restart. As you can see, it did not instantly load. So if you set this here and go back to your settings, what you're going to have to do is set the background process limit to standard, or if you just want limited numbers, you can choose from 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm just going to set this to standard limit and then go back. Now if I go back to the same app, it will instantly load and it won't be restarted. So if I just go ahead and open this app up, as you can see, it instantly loaded. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically fix the problem. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.